A little Billy Idol going on. And oh, hi. It's Terry from Normal Gadgets. It's been a bit since I've come here and given you a quick tip. 2021. What to let you know about SMS spamming. We all got the emails from the Nigerian prince to click on it, send them money, you'll get riches. Click here, click there, and then of course they infect your computer and make life just terrible for you. Well, now they've upped their ante, if you will, and they are getting you on your SMSs, on your text messages. You'll get these text messages from places and people that you think that are legitimate, and they're probably not, right? They're probably most often not. And if you're unsure, if you get something from Amazon or from the Postal Service, just like this one, all you got to do is go to the Postal Service or to the Amazon website or Macy's website physically, not from your phone, log in, see if they sent you something. You know, IRS, you need to pay this right now. Click this link because you owe millions of dollars or $100,000. And if you pay right now by clicking this link, we'll take care of it. It's not the case. IRS will never send you anything like that. You know, they're trying to get you to click on these links. And when they'll do that, they'll hack your phone, grab your information, your contacts of all your friends and your neighbors, and then they'll use that for the same scheme, ultimately to get you to click on links to pay. Here's another one. Kind of ironic, isn't it? It's kind of ironic that it's from, hey, you got too many spams coming in? You got a lot of spammers reaching you? You might want to click this link and we'll help you out. Really? They're going to help you out? No, they're not going to help you out. They're going to take advantage of you. So best thing, don't click on these links. They're spamming you on your phones, on your smartphones, and on your tablets. We're seeing a lot of customers come into Normal Gadgets that are experiencing these things, that they're getting all these text messages. Don't click on them. When in doubt, go to the site independently on a computer. When in doubt, come over here to Normal Gadgets, 802 South El Dorado, 802 South El Dorado, and our phone number is 309-807-3333. We can kind of hopefully point you in the right direction, clear up anything that's wrong on your phone, and get rid of all the nasty stuff. So, oh, it's easy talk now.